Oh my gosh. Did you see that? I just full auto him in the back.
I'm gonna lay here right now. Welcome to the video. Oh, my backyard. Backyard airsoft.
And so that's my AK, but we're using my pistol and his pistol, so
Ready?
hopefully, yeah. Okay, so this pistol isn't downgraded, it's 280 right now. What? Okay, you ready? Go back. Game starts in 10 seconds. Dude, this is gonna be sick. I'm gonna dual wield. Right. I'm gonna put this one away, and it's gonna be a backup pistol. So, okay. I don't know what's happening over there. You good? What? 3, 2. Dude, that's straight up sniper shot though.
Alright, ready? Alright, Judah. Alright. Get him, boys. Oh, just fire! Hold on. Yeah, it's good. 1, 2. Whoa, Judah, headshot. Woo!
Today we're playing a game of TTT, Trouble in Terrorist Town. There's 2 innocents, 1 terrorist. I'm playing with Kate of Island. We're gonna have the cards, we're gonna shuffle them, we're gonna pass them out. Whoever gets the terrorist card is gonna try to kill the other 2 people, innocent to try to survive. And the innocents, we all have guns. I have my PTT-99, Kate has my AK, and he has his
911.
1911. And so today we're just playing just a little bit backyard airsoft round. So yeah, let's go.
Boys.
Okay, ready? Shoot the card. Show your card to the camera. You guys got cards? 10, 9.
Over there. And there's the random person I just put today. Hey! Hey! I actually think it is. He's so far away. But then why are you over here? Judah! Judah. Move in. You go that way, I go this way. You go that way, I go this way. You, over.
Big.
Oh my god. God. Ah! We can go to do a wheel. Again, I do not put Judah. Whoa! Whoa, that was so close. Oh, shoot! Ah! Oh, there you are! I don't know how you not hit. Full? Yeah.
Taurus PT99, I'm going to do a full auto jump now. Oh. That was really anticlimactic. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, Audrey. That was glorious. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, so that's the Taurus PT99.